Friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you suffer from cracked, dry heels like I do, like in the picture there? I know it's gross, but I experience this often because I just don't like socks. So that's why I get it. Not quite sure why you get it, but this is how I achieve very soft baby feet even after this roughness. So come on in and see how I achieve it. Turn this on. Oh, this feels great. This is for like tired feet. This Avon Footworks conditioning foot soak. If you work on your feet, this is for you. And all you need is a little bit. I've actually had this stuff for a very long time. But you just put your feet in here, and it has these little things that you can of course you don't move them around. But you can just touch it with your toes. No, it's not to play in. That's the stuff that I'm talking about right here. I also have just little fowls to file your foot. It's shaped like a foot. Isn't it cute? Of course, you have your Ped-egg, but you want to do this while your foot is dry. Have the Pumice stone. I'm gonna do maybe 30 minutes. Way your skin will be softened up by then, because I don't like socks and it's really calloused up right here. Like you can't see it on camera, but it's very, very hard. Look at that. You see all that? We're gonna get that off. Like you can see it right there. The same for this foot. We're gonna get all of that off. All of that ick. See it? All of the ick. Alright guys, I have pulled my feet out of the spa. My toes, they feel a lot softer, but we're gonna go for this. Just rub that off. I don't do anything fancy. This is just how I do mine. It's personally like the spa expensive, and yeah, we want to get pampered here and there, but stuff is just so unsafe, and I don't like too many people in my personal space touching on me. Like that little daughter of mine took my toe separator. I'm just gonna file my nails down. And then I'm gonna come in with my cuticle scraper and we're gonna scrape that off. Take this and you clean out your cuticles. Just clean them out. Push them back. And this is just a rubber tip on this. there. Avon oil is the bomb. And everything is falling on this towel that's underneath here, so don't think I'm being gross or anything with the toenail clippings. It's pretty dry. So, let's make sure I get all that dead skin off. I'm gonna go in with the cuticle oil, and this is how it looks. So I just get a little bit, go in around each cuticle. Here comes the best part as far as moisturization, except for these dry, cracked heels right here. These right here. This stuff is the bomb. It is with emu oil and beeswax. Guys, this stuff is amazing. As you see, I got two. Get these in trial size too. That's how it looks. It's kind of like a waxy consistency. You don't need a lot. But this is what I moisturize my feet with on the bottom, as well as my ankles. I have dry ankles. I'm too much worried about the top of my foot, but just where it's calloused really bad. And it just comes from not wearing socks. I also suffer from plantar fasciitis every so often. I'm wearing heels for so many years, that's why I retired them. But this is so soft, guys. So soft. Like, wow. Now for the top of my feet, I would just go in with something like that. It's Nivea. Just rub that in. I want to get between your toes because your moisture builds up. Yeah, this is basically what we're dealing with. And this is my ankle that I have trouble with right here with the dryness. So get the emu oil. And I put it there, and it will heal it. You can put socks on, go in with the buffer. It's on the big toe, big times, and this is what makes sure toenails have the natural shine. I don't do a top coat with this because I'm just gonna cover it up, like nobody's gonna see it. But me and my family, when I'm barefoot in the house. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I will do some pictures at the end, of course. Look how shiny it is, though. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. Okay, this is the result of my pedicure. This is my right foot. Very moisturized. My skin is shiny. It looks really nice. These are my toes. It turned out really well. A little more cracked heel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions about anything that I did or used, just let me know. I'll put as much information in the description box as I can. But this is once again a DIY at home pedicure. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.